ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶರಣು. Welcome all to Ishtalinga Puja. So I would like to briefly explain about what is Ishtalinga Puja. Ishtalinga Puja is a representation of inner light in your body, which is also known as Pranalinga. It's a Dehavi Degula. Your body is the temple. How do we do Ishtalinga Puja? Ishtalinga Puja is performed by offering water, vibhuti, flower, leaves, light and prasada. So during puja, we have to chant Panchakshari mantra, that is Om Namah Shivaya. Hope everyone received the puja materials. Okay, let's chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. There is a light in that box. Could you please turn on the light? Turn on the lights. Everyone. Okay. Okay, everyone turn on the lights. Okay, take vibhuti. There's a vibhuti in the box. You guys have to look here how uncle is doing. Take vibhuti on the left hand. Apply vibhuti your forehead. You guys have to look here.
Take a vibhuti and apply it to the forehead.
Look here. Yeah. You guys need to apply to your forehead. From the right hand, not the left hand. Also, you need to apply vibhuti your neck and wrist as well. To the neck. Look here. You guys have to look here. Apply vibhuti your wrist also.
Apply on the forehead.
From right hand, not from the left hand. You guys have to apply vibhuti from your right hand. It's applied to your neck. You guys have to look here. Apply vibhuti between your eyes.
You can see me, right? Apply one on the forehead and then to the neck.
Okay, now you have to take Ishtalinga. Keep it on your left palm. Left palm, not right, left. Pour water slowly. Little bit water. You have to look here. Little bit water on Ishtalinga. Little bit water on Ishtalinga. And parallelly, you guys have to chant Om Namah Shivaya. By pouring water, chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
And then take the tear.
Swallow the water. Swallow the water. Okay, now you have to dry your hand.
paper towel.
using the paper towel. Okay.
In the box. Take the Vibhuti in the right hand.
Write Om on your right hand using Vibhuti.
So you can write it in English also.
Yeah, you can write it in English. O M O.
Yeah.
O M O. Write O O M. Okay, now we have to place Ishtalinga on the now apply Vibhuti to Ishtalinga.
Everyone put the
Apply Vibhuti. You have to look here if you have any doubts.
like this.
Look here. Okay, now you chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay, now you have to place the flower on Ishtalinga and chant Om Namah Shivaya.
Suppose this is
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Now take light, then wave the light to Ishtalinga and chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay, now you have to offer prasada. Just open that box. Offer prasada to Ishtalinga and chant Om Namah Shivaya while offering. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay, now you have to bring Ishtalinga. Look here, look at here. Yeah, you have to get Ishtalinga to your eye level. Yeah. Chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You have to concentrate on Ishtalinga and be chanting Om Namah Shivaya. Focus on Ishtalinga. Your eyes should be focused on Ishtalinga and chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. You have to chant 21 times. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 You have to do Namaskara to Ishtalinga. Just go and, yeah. Just look here. Okay, remove flower and put it in a bowl. Place Ishtalinga in the box, in the black. So that concludes Ishtalinga Puja. You guys have to be sit here itself. Okay, don't get up. Place Ishtalinga in the box. Just dry Ishtalinga and then put it in the box. Just take a paper towel and then dry Ishtalinga.
Now we'll chant some vachanas.
Okay, close the box. If you are done,
Can you switch off the
put the Ishtalinga in the box and close it. And then turn off the lights. Turn off the light. Turn off the light, place Ishtalinga. Kids, turn off the lights. Close box. Okay, now we have to chant vachanas. Just repeat after her.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Guru Basavalingaya Namaha. Om Guru Basavalingaya Namaha. ತಂದೆ ನೀನು ತಾಯಿ ನೀನು ಬಂಧು ನೀನು ಬಳಗ ನೀನು ನೀನಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ.
ಕಳಬೇಡ, ಕೊಲಬೇಡ, ಉಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ, ಮುನಿಯಬೇಡ, ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ, ತನ್ನ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಬೇಡ, ಇದಿರ ಅಳಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ. ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ಒಲಿಸುವ ಪರಿ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ಗುರು ಬಸವಲಿಂಗಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಇವನಾರವ ಇವನಾರವ ಇವನಾರವನೆಂದು ಎನಿಸಿದಿರಯ್ಯ. ಇವ ನಮ್ಮವ, ಇವ ನಮ್ಮವ, ಇವ ನಮ್ಮವನೆಂದು ಎನಿಸಯ್ಯ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಮಗನೆಂದು ಎನಿಸಯ್ಯ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ದಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಧರ್ಮದ ಉದಯ, ದಯವೇ ಬೇಕು ಸಕಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ದಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಧರ್ಮದ ಉದಯ,
ದಯವಿಲ್ಲದ ಧರ್ಮ ಯಾವುದಯ್ಯ? ದಯವೇ ಬೇಕು ಸಕಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ. ದಯವೇ ಧರ್ಮದ ಮೂಲವಯ್ಯ. ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ನಂತೊಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡಯ್ಯ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಅಸತೋಮ ಸದ್ಗಮಯ, ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ, ಮೃತ್ಯೋರ್ಮ ಅಮೃತಂಗಮಯ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ಗುರು ಬಸವಲಿಂಗಾಯ ನಮಃ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಎತ್ತೆತ್ತ ನುಡಿದದತ್ತ, ಎತ್ತೆತ್ತ ನುಡಿದದತ್ತ, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ಸಕಲ ವಿಸ್ತಾರ, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ವಿಶ್ವತೋಮುಖ, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ವಿಶ್ವತೋಬಾಹು, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ವಿಶ್ವತೋಪಾದ, ನೀನೇ ದೇವ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ಗುರು ಬಸವಲಿಂಗಾಯ ನಮಃ.
Okay. So that concludes Ishtalinga Puja. You guys have to be seated here itself, okay, until we say so.
सुराचितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गं। देवमुनिप्रवराचितलिङ्गं कामदहनकरुणाकरलिङ्गं रावण कनकमहामणिभूषितलिङ्गं मणिमतिवेशितशोभितलिङ्गम् दर्शसु यज्ञविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् कुङ्कुमचन्दनलेपितलिङ्गं पङ्कजहारसुशोभितलिङ्गम् सञ्चितपापविनाशनलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् देवगणार्चितसेवितलिङ्गं भावैर्भक्तिभिरेव च लिङ्गम् दिनकरकोटिप्रभाकरलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् अष्टदलोपरिवेष्टितलिङ्गं सर्वसमुद्भवकारणलिङ्गम् अष्टदरिद्रविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् सुरगुरुसुरवरपूजितलिङ्गं सुरवरपुष्पसदार्चितलिङ्गम् परमपरं परमात्मकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि सदा शिवलिङ्गम् लिङ्गाष्टकं